Hello everyone, and welcome to Tech Upskill channel.
In today's video, I'll walk you through how to fix the Photos app not working on Windows 11. If you're facing this issue, don't worry, I'll share effective troubleshooting methods to get your Photos app back on track. Before we dive in, make sure to try restarting your PC and updating your Windows 11. Sometimes, that's all it takes to resolve the problem. And now let's get started. To reset the Photos app, start by accessing the Apps and Features settings. Click the Start button, or use the search icon, type Apps, and select the Apps and Features option from the menu. Once there, use the search bar to find Microsoft Photos. Click the three-dot menu next to it and select Advanced Options. Scroll down to the Reset section, where you'll see two options, Repair and Reset. Choose Reset, and confirm by clicking Reset again. After this, restart your PC to apply the changes and check if the issue is resolved. Sometimes, updating the Photos app can resolve issues. Open the Microsoft Store by clicking the search icon, typing Microsoft Store, and selecting it. Use the search bar to look for photos. If an update is available, you'll see an Update button. Click it to update the app. Alternatively, go to the Download section at the bottom left corner of the store and select Get Updates to update all apps, including Photos. After updating, check if the problem is fixed. If resetting and updating the Photos app doesn't work, you may need to reinstall it. First, close all open programs, then click the search icon, type PowerShell, and choose Run as Administrator. In the PowerShell window, paste the command to uninstall the Photos app, provided in the description, and press Enter. Once the app is uninstalled, restart your PC. After restarting, open PowerShell again, and paste the command to reinstall the Photos app. Press Enter to complete the process. This will reinstall the app and should resolve the issue. And that's it. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.